$6 for 2 miles at the same McDonald's I just came from? Let's go. We taking that. $6, 2 miles. McDonald's is on point today. We got that. Definitely declined that one. Then what else they sent me? $5.50 for 3 miles. No, sir. We won't be taking that. You can keep that, Doordash. We don't. An add-on. No, they tried to send me this order when I was completing that last delivery. $11.65 for 8.3 miles. Spoonful desserts on Doordash. 16-mile delivery. How did I know? That is not happening. $10.75, 16.1 miles. That's absolutely crazy. No, sir, we're gonna be declining that. 32% on the AR. McDonald's, hopefully low distance. It is low distance, but it's not a good order.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so I think I made up my mind, guys. I think we is just gonna hop out on the scooter because this weather is too good, and I think I might just have to go ahead and bust this thing on out. Fully charged on the battery. Let's go ahead and hit this bike trail, see what's up. Maybe we get an Uber Eats delivery. I know I was just talking about how bad Uber Eats is. The scooter, we posted over here in the cut. We got the delivery bag right there. Got my helmet, we ready to go. Uber Eats sent me 2 offers already, but yeah, we gonna leave them right where they at. It was $2 offers, and Doordash not letting me on the schedule. They sent me $2.45 for 3.6 miles, there you go. And then they sent me $2.54 for 3.4. One at Penn Station, one at McDonald's. We leaving both of those alone. It's 90 degrees out here today. $10.02 for 13 miles, no sir. Finally got our first order, $8.87 for 1.8 at Wingstop. I was sitting here just watching YouTube, man. I had just about given up on deliveries. They hadn't sent me nothing. It is hot as that one thing out here, man. I ain't even gonna lie though, I've been practicing how to do a wheelie here on the scooter this whole time. I ain't got it down packed yet, but we gonna keep on practicing, see if I could hit that wheelie one of these days before this scooter season is over. Let's go ahead and jam through this parking lot, hit a couple back streets, and then we're gonna be right at Wingstop. This is the best weather I have had so far on this scooter, by far. So far, by far. We got 90 degrees, clear skies. You see everybody and they mama outside today. This is crazy. I ain't finna be caught in no traffic today. I'm going around everything and everyone. And I ain't following no traffic laws for real either. That's the honest to God truth. I mean, I'm gonna stop at a stop sign here and there, a stoplight, but for the most part, we blowing all of those. You better believe it. We blowing all of those. We is not stopping at, I'm gonna stop at this one because it's a full-way intersection, but look, they going straight across, so am I. You got me messed up. I'm not about to be waiting. For real, for real. Then we finna do the same thing in this parking lot too. Speed bump, woo! We caught a little air, let's go. We caught a little bit of air. The Wingstop is right up here. Make sure I catch up. A little bit more air. Ooh, that's a Vespa? Let's go. That was a Vespa, okay. The back of Wingstop is right over there, I can see it. We got a VW Bug right here. A little bit more hang time. Then I see the back of Wingstop right there, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump this curb and we're gonna go ahead, throw it in the dual motor so we can power through this grass. Yes, sir. And now, just like that, avoiding all traffic and even sliding through the divider, we have made it to Wingstop, where they got them wings hot. Stop playing with me. The food delivery right here. Oh man, that's perfect. As long as I don't break my strap. All right, there we go. We got the Wingstop. Got it secured. We got the drink too. Hopefully this mug don't spill. Look at me. Haha. This big ass backpack. This shit big as hell. Oh well, still gotta get that money. This shit going to PetSmart, y'all. And it got a PIN number. So I'm taking all the back roads. Looks like Doordash gonna let me hop on the schedule, so I might as well go ahead. They say I can dash now, even though y'all probably can't see it, it's all good. Now I got Doordash and Uber Eats running. We already got one order done. Let's see what we can get next. They did send me a few more orders on Uber Eats. Let's see, I'll throw a couple screenshots up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got $18.35 for 15.9 miles, 2 drop-offs. Definitely decline that one. Then what else they send me? $5.50 for 3 miles. No sir, we won't be taking that. You can keep that, Doordash. We don't. An add-on. No, they tried to send me this order when I was completing that last delivery. $11.65 for 8.3 miles. Spoonful desserts on Doordash, 16-mile delivery. How did I know? That is not happening. $10.75, 16.1 miles. That's absolutely crazy. No sir, we're gonna be declining that. 32% on the AR. McDonald's, hopefully low distance. It is low distance, but it's not a good order. We got $4 for 3.6. Go ahead, decline that. Still at 32%. Shit, that's not bad. At least it's a nice, beautiful day. We're sitting here in the Sam's Club parking lot. So I'm gonna take my time. When they send me something good, then I'll take it. $4.50, 1.7, but it's not really 1.7 because it's drop off right next to McDonald's. That I can take. And then once we cut across Sam's Club parking lot, we gonna try to hop into traffic, get across the street, and then once we get across the street, we're gonna take the sidewalk up to McDonald's. Pick up our little $4 order. I just like bouncing on this thing. I don't know why. Well, hold on now. Now we got an Uber order. He's selling popcorn. What's this on Uber? We got, nope, where is Uber? $7 for 4 miles. Nah, I think I'm gonna leave that alone. We're gonna go get our $4 order from McDonald's. Cut across the street, and then we're gonna go up to the light. Now, one thing I learned about the scooter is it's not heavy enough to activate the signals if you're making a left turn at a light, or even if you just at a light period. You're gonna be stuck sitting there with a scooter or e-bike because my dumb ass didn't know. Well, I didn't realize that it's sensors. So, but I learned, you know, if I'm gonna hop out in traffic, don't be the first in line. Now I can cut in front of everybody and hop out first, but don't be first because then you're just gonna be sitting there forever because the light will never change for you. But see, look, we good. There's lots of traffic, so I don't really gotta worry about staying up to speed. I could get up to 45 if I needed to, but with as much traffic out here, I don't think that's really gonna be an issue. My main thing is just getting up here through these lights real quick. I cut through the parking lots when I'm doing the deliveries on the way back. But while I'm heading up there, I'm gonna try to use this street to the best of my advantage. And hopefully everybody looking and they can see me, because that's definitely gonna make a big difference. See, like right here, I'm about to shortcut this traffic. I'm not waiting in this line. I promise you that. Matter of fact, I'm about to go ahead and, so when you got the scooter, so since they got the green light, I can show you how I look. But make sure you be safe when you lane splitting. Like I said, I can't activate the sensors that's on the ground. So if I come to a light, you know, I'm gonna be waiting for a long time. Then you also can use the crosswalk too, but like I said, I'm going up to McDonald's. I got this thing in 3rd gear. We finna smash out as soon as this light change. And yeah, that's one of the perks of having a scooter. But make sure you're watching out for pedestrians, as always, you know. When you're coming up to these crosswalks like this, you know, maybe I should bag up just a little bit. I don't want to be all the way up there, but if it was pedestrians, you know, you want to make sure you're watching out for them. Don't impede them. Be courteous to the drivers too, but at the same time, no. We ain't following no traffic laws, not on this thing. That's for sure. We out of here. Now right here, I'm gonna go ahead and make this right, like that. Matter of fact, if I really wanted to, I could do one of these right here. I could cut across every single parking lot until McDonald's. Or I could just come up right here like this, and then I could just hit through this parking lot. Then I could just take the sidewalk on up. Matter of fact, let me take it out of dual motor, because we don't need all that power for the sidewalk. We only need a little bit of power. You know, we could rock with the single motor on the sidewalk. No need to waste extra battery. But yeah, the lights and cars and everything else, you need to be able to just get in and out, in and out. And we pulling that thing up right to the door. Let's go. And another thing too, like McDonald's, if I had to, I'd put my chargers in the back and I would have my dual chargers in my backpack and I'd take this mug right up in McDonald's and I'd charge it up in there. Now I told y'all, look, it's getting busy. We got $3.06 for 4 miles. Nah, we ain't gonna be taking that. That's too many miles right there. But we gonna do this little DoorDash. I think that's our DoorDash order right there, probably. Let's see. I bet that, look, it's 3 orders. I bet one of them hit. We got 1B21. It's that one right there. Let's get it. God damn, it's hot inside this helmet. All right, we got the McDonald's, guys. We about to, hold on, am I recording? Hell yeah. We got the McDonald's. We heading out. Uber Eats keeps sending me these trash ass orders. I'm not taking this shit. Hell no. Matter of fact, I'm turning Uber off because they tripping. They got me messed up. Let me see. We got this order for Megan. We about to drop this motherfucker off. Shit. What's the last 3? B2, B21. B21. I be forgetting that about McDonald's orders. Every time you gotta put in them digits. And it's a hand to me. Oh, these people. Oh, these people. I'm getting a picture, boy. They got me messed up. I'm definitely getting a picture. Where we going? Around the corner? That's Pet. That's either PetSmart. No, that's Petco. That gotta be Petco. Yeah, I think that's Petco. We're going to Petco for this. Let's get this thing dropped off. Petco Mickey D's Delivery. Is my camera facing the right way? It look like it is. Let's point that up just a little bit. There we go. All right, we heading across the street. Basically across the street. Woo! Let's get up out of here. DoorDash, hand to me. Dual motor action. Dual motor action on that. These people don't know what they doing. Do. Order number 2, hand to me. Hand to me. They might as well say stop playing with me. Order number 2, stop playing with me. They want me to hand it right to them. They do not want me to just, no. They don't want that. They want it in their hand. They lucky they got a drink in this mug. I ought to pop the willie off that curb with their order. Popping willies with the customer's order. Another 2-mile McDonald's order. This one is 2.4 miles. That's a little bit too far for $2. If it was paying like $6, I would have took it, but not for another $2. We ain't going out like that. We made $4.50 on DoorDash, $8.80 on Uber, but it ain't updated yet. But I might melt, so I might have to go back to the car. This is kind of crazy right here. There we go, six for 1.6. I can take that. We got $6 for 1.6 at Buffalo Wild Wings. Now that's a lot better. Miles to money ratio is way better. And Buffalo Wild Wings got AC. And I think I need that right about now. So we finna head on over there. B-dubs, so hot. Whew. Oh my God, it's so hot inside this helmet. Well, that wind is a lifesaver right now because I'm telling you, it is so hot. It's gotta be more than 90 now. This the weather I've been waiting for to be on this scooter. Cause man, it definitely feel better when you riding. And I got the tank top on. Maybe I should have wore some shorts. There it is. Darn it. Almost. All right, who we picking up for? Check all the boxes. Copyrighted music. The B-dubs in the sack. We finna get this thing delivered. We going 1 mile up the road. Let me go ahead and get this GPS cranking. See if it's a hand to me or not. Come on, confirm that. Come on now. I know my internet ain't going out. All right, we got that little situation fixed. Let's go ahead and get this delivery knocked out. We're gonna use a sidewalk for right now. Whoop, no more sidewalk. Just that fast. Okay, dual motor it is. Dual motor, we in the street now. Oh yeah, we cruising. Mode 3, dual motor, keeping up with the traffic, and we lane splitting. Oh yeah. Maybe I might have to invest into a second battery for this DJI. Then maybe I can have a little bit more battery, like a little bit more recording time on this scooter. Or I guess I could just buy an extra battery pack, you know, like a portable little cell. Give me a couple more full charges. Man, this is my first time being out 35, 40 miles an hour in 90-degree weather. This feels great. I got the tank top on. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I definitely can get used to this right here. I definitely can get used to this. License plate. This thing ain't even wide enough for a plate. It ain't even the width of a license plate. Okay, so we're gonna be making a left on this street right here. Yep, we going up 2 streets, then making a left. Let me hit can't hand. Cause yep, I knew it. We're gonna have to do the extras to take the picture again. So let me. See if they come. Oh, there you go, right there. Shit. What'd you say? Yeah, man. Thank you. I've been waiting for the summertime so I can use the scooter. Cause you know, it's been really cold and yeah, I wasn't trying to get sick. But now that the weather turned around, yep, thank you. Have a good one, boss. Oh, snaps. All right, let's get up out of here. Oh my God, that dog is beautiful. Look at that dog, guys. That dog probably costs more than my scooter. Wow, that is a beautiful dog. We got $5, 3 miles at McDonald's. This one, if it was at the McDonald's I was already at, I would do it. But it's at the other McDonald's. I don't know if I got enough battery for that. You know what? Where am I at? I'm up here. Nah, that's a far ride. That's a far ride. I'm not gonna take that one. We got $7 for 5.5 miles. A little bit too far for me on the scooter. But check this out though. I just found me some shade. Oh yeah, I needed this. Enjoying my neighborhood, enjoying the weather, and making money while I do it. We got $12.50 on Doordash, and we got $8 on Uber. Let me turn Uber back on because I forgot I turned it off. Uh-oh, we got a McDonald's order coming through. Let's have a peek. $4 for 3 miles, $4.43 for 3.3 miles. Actually, no. But let me go ahead and toggle Uber back on because it's seeming like it's busy. It's definitely more than a few McDonald's orders out there. See if they send me something else. Chilling in this shade for right now. All right, look, I knew it. Another McDonald's order. $6 for 2 miles at the same McDonald's I just came from? Let's go. We taking that. $6, 2 miles. McDonald's is on point today. We got that thing. We heading out. This one is not a hand-to-me delivery. It's going 1.2 miles up the road. We in good shape. I am gonna make this my last delivery for real though, because this DJI will not make it all the way up there. I'll get the drop off and that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And look, make sure you check out all my other scooter videos, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them all in a playlist so you can check them all out. $4 tip on that one. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and call it quits with this one, guys, because the equipment is about to die. I'm hot. I need to get me something to drink. And yeah, it was a good little shift. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit them buttons, and I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, there we go. Oh, snaps. Is that a delivery? Woo-wee. Y'all got it? Y'all need some help?
Yeah, we'll take it.
All right, man, because I mean, shit. Must have happened for a reason, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's do it.